Hello, in this video I'm going to talk about BurningDrop token on KuCoin. On this channel I talk about airdrops and how to make money with crypto. If this kind of video you are looking forward to, make sure you subscribe to my channel and turn up your notification bell. I'm going to give you step-by-step information how to participate in this project on KuCoin. So KuCoin will be launching this project on their BurningDrop. So on this BurningDrop section on KuCoin, you'll be able to stake specific token, which is KCS or SU, into a pool. So around this time, 10 o'clock on May 10, 2023 UTC, this pool is going to open for subscription for anyone to stake their assets to get this airdrop. And in additional information, during this acceleration period, users who have already subscribed can choose to burn POL, the native token of KuCoin end platform, to mine more TURBOS airdrop. So that's all you need to know about when this BurningDrop is going to start. And here is the timeline for this BurningDrop. Subscription period is going to be 10 o'clock on May 10, 2023 to 18 o'clock on May 10, 2023 UTC time. Make sure you check this time at your time zone so you can know a specific time you need to come to this KuCoin app to stake your token. The burning acceleration period is 20 o'clock on May 10, 2023 to 2 o'clock on May 11, 2023 UTC time. So you just have to check this time to know when to come to this app. And staking period is 2 o'clock on May 11, 2023 to 1:59 minutes 59 seconds on May 31st, 2023 UTC time. So that's what you need to know about the timeline. And the product details is the pool staking products. You can stake KCS for this token for a period of 20 days. The same thing goes to SU token to get this token for 20 days. Right here, this is the app cap all platform. Everyone will be able to stake 196 KCS in this KCS pool, and ad cap per user is 315. The same thing goes to this SU pool. Everyone will be able to stake 1,740,000 SU, and ad cap per single user is going to be 2,000 SU token. And that's the details for the product details. And reward distribution, total TURBOS allocation 4,000 of this allocation of the token. That's what is being allocated for this BurningDrop. And reward distribution, 20% of this TURBOS reward will be distributed before TURBOS trading starts in KuCoin spot market. The other 20% of this reward will be distributed in the second month, while the remaining 60% will be distributed in 30% batch every month from the second distribution. So that's all you need to know about this. Once you understand this step-by-step process, you just have to come over here and press this app over here. If you are checking this on your PC, you can press web. If you are doing this on your mobile phone, you can press app over here. After pressing this app, I make a video about this token BurningDrop on my last video. So I talk about this video, this token BurningDrop that is ongoing right here. And right here, once you understand the whole process, on May 10, 2023, 10 o'clock UTC time, you need to come over here, and that project is going to be up over here. Then I'm just going to use this ongoing token drop to make an example for you. Right here, you will be able to find the project over here. Then if you want to stake KCS or SU token, you just have to select one. Let's say, for instance, you want to stake KCS. You just need to press KCS. And right now, You just have to be here before everyone stake their token, before, because there is limit for this pool. So once this limit has been met, you won't be able to stake your token again. So after you come over here, no one is staking already, you can just stake your own. Maybe you want to stake 3 or 2 or 10. You just have to press max over here, press the amount of token you want to stake. Let's say for instance you want to stake 10. You press OK, then you come over here, then you press stake. Then you just have to stay back and follow the step-by-step guide the way I show you. Remember, when the project is going to start, coin is going to open this pool, you'll be able to find this project at the top of this page. That's all you need to know to be able to participate in this burn drop on KuCoin. And make sure you subscribe to my channel and turn up your notification bell. I'm going to see you on the next video.